Hello students, in this exercise we will learn how to create alignment from corridor and how we can extract any feature line from corridor. Once an alignment profile or 3D polyline has been extracted, its geometry can be adjusted independently. In this case, the profile, alignment or polyline no longer retains a link to the corridor from which is originated. Once a profile, alignment or 3D polyline has been extracted, you can use it as a target back in the corridor that formed it. In this exercise, a corridor feature line will be extracted to produce an alignment and a profile also. Just open this drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box. I will drop you with this drawing. From the home tab, create design panel, just choose alignment and then here create alignment from corridor. Alternatively, you can select the corridor by selecting the corridor feature line that you want to create an alignment from. To activate the corridor contextual tab, from the launch pad panel you can choose alignment from corridor, something like this. If you select your corridor and then you have also this command here, alignment from corridor, so they will be work same. And to select a corridor feature line, you need to select the feature line labeled top of curve feature line. Just zoom and then select this one. In the name text box of the create alignment from object dialog, name the alignment here road D east top of curve. Verify that the type is set to offset because it's the offset of our road. Then on the general tab of the create alignment from object dialog, verify that alignment style should be basic, then leave alignment layer, and then we have alignment label set should be no label. Also check and verify that the create profile checkbox is selected. Okay, now click OK to accept the setting in the create alignment from object dialog and display the create profile draw new dialog. In the name text box of create profile, here name the profile FG road D east top curve. On the general tab of the create profile, verify that the profile style is set to design profile and then profile label is set to no label. Then click OK to accept the setting in the dialog and press enter to exit the command. If corridor is still selected, you can press escape to deselect. If you want to see that our profile and alignment has been created or not, then go into the prospector, expand alignments, then offset alignments because it was our offset alignment, and then here you have road D east top of curve. Now then expand this, and here under the profile you can see we have also profile FG road D east top curve profile. There are additional offset alignments listed on prospector that were created to construct the intersection of road C and D. We will also learn intersection in the next chapter. Now we will extract a corridor feature line and keep it dynamically linked to the corridor. From the home tab, create design panel, choose feature line, and here under the feature line we have create feature line from corridor. Alternatively, you can also select the corridor by selecting the corridor feature line that you want to create a feature line from to activate the corridor contextual tab, and then selecting feature line from corridor from the launchpad panel. You can also do same. And to select a corridor feature line, just select the feature line here, this one. For example, if I want to extract this feature line, I will select this feature line and just press enter. There will be two feature line. I just want to extract the daylight, just uncheck these two and then press extract. Okay, here just select your new feature line and see here we have our contextual tab. If these edit geometry and edit elevations are not still visible, just select and open them and you can see that they are not visible to us, they are just grid, and your feature line have not any grip here. So these alignments and feature line actually can now be used for further design. Remember that feature line created from the corridor, but it's not dynamically linked to the corridor, are no longer connected to the corridor and will not update as you make modification to the corridor. So this is how we can extract feature line from corridor, and we can also create an alignment and profile from any corridor feature line. Hope you like this video. For this type of advanced knowledge, please stay tuned with us.